Hello everyone. Uh, Today I'm going to give introduction of some basic level of visualizer, Kony and Temenos development, digital banking application development. So first of all, I want to say you can download Kony visualizer tool from this website, and here is the visualizer versions available which you want. You can download it like v9 sp2 aspirant 2 version 9, so and fp55. These are the old variants. If you go on v9 sp3 and version 25, this is the latest variant where the microwave development uh, is done. So before this there was the v9 or v8. So we in v8 visualizer variant, they have only we can create the monolithic applications where there is no micro app concept. So we can download v9 sp3 22 or 25 or upward. So this contains the microwave application development architecture or reference architecture. So this is the release, and you can download it if you have the Apple the operating system, then installation from this, download from this. If you have Windows Macros operating system, then you can download from here. So when you set up this download, you can install it in your any directory. After installation, you can work on it. So I will start it. Just it's loading. It takes a few minutes to now load it. So this is the application which is loaded in my visualizer. So it's already workspace where this application is contains. Also I have the many other applications which is developed. So I'm going to start new project. So I want to give you information about this, how to create new project and what type of projects. Like if we want to create a web app, so we will select the web app. If we want to create the native app and means a mobile application app, so we can select this one, or you can also select any sample apps. So first I'm selecting the native app and click on next. We can give the project name like any weather app. This depends on you what you give the application name. This application already exists, just giving an error. So I'm just naming it the weather, and you can select this one, uh, advanced project setting. We select this because if we want to refresh architecture extension, enable. If we want to free form JavaScript, then it is little the previous variants where we have to set our hierarchy ourselves. So reference architecture actually is the MVC based pattern architecture, where we have already folders are created in different way. So I'm selecting the reference architecture and choose this one and create this app. Okay, when the application is created, it takes some time. Yeah, now it's created. Here you're seeing that the different applications, uh, means this application is created, and I'm going to select on design. When I click on design, you can see here the mobile application where the mobile forms are just created dummy form, and the controller, related controller, navigations, and the modules where we have required files, and the reference architecture extension where we can create our reference architecture presentation and model controllers. Yeah, so this is a basic folders intro. I'm going to select on form, and this is actually group already created, so I'm going to delete this one because I want to tell you detail about it. if we click on the properties, this is actually application level properties. There is a few events: pre-init, pre-app init, pre-app, post-app init, and app service and delink. So in these events we can assign any code or any means any functions in this. This function actually uh, initiate when our application is initiated. So I want to create first of all the form. Acha, okay, we can create new group here. So we can create new form in this group. Okay, so you are looking, here's the form name. I'm going to rename this as form home, and also we can give its name as form home friendly name, form friendly name. So it's also replace here itself, and you can see the same controller created right here. So the app group, actually this is a group which is created. We can rename it in our own way like home. So it rename it as home as well as controller which is created itself. So the home design is this one. You can select here for the app which you want to develop on Android web, Android native. It depends on you, the mobile application, and the pixels you want to select this one.